In this video, I'm going to show you how to add content protection to your forums. Coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add content protection to your forums that you create in BuddyBoss. So in the previous video, I showed you how to do it on the actual forum, but there's also another way to do it. And this is, in my opinion, a much easier way. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to switch over here now to my computer. So let's head over here now to content protection. So first of all, when you come to content protection here, you're going to see a bunch of things. Okay. Now, if you don't create the forum beforehand, then it's not going to show here. So you need to make sure you go to BuddyBoss, create the forum. And then once the forum is created, you can then see this entry here, which says forum. And the same applies also for discussions. So this will then show over here. So let's start with forums. So if I click here on forums, this is going to show the forums that I've created. So remember, in the previous video, I created the VIP welcome and the support. In fact, you know what? Why don't we go and take a look at the forums that I created? So I'm going to open this in a new tab, and this is the page where I have the forums. So you can see we have a VIP welcome here. We also have a support. So on the VIP here is where I went in and I added the protection on the actual page, just like this. Okay. But I haven't done the same thing on the support. So if I click here on edit, you're going to notice that this one here is unprotected. So when I come over here now, you can see that this lock here is not closed, which means it's unprotected. So this is where I can go in manually and add my users or my levels to this actual forum called support. So this one here has access for VIP members. So let's click here on this little pencil icon. And now I can go in and specify my members. So you can see here, we can go and say protected. And now it's asking for my membership levels. So this one here, we want to say VIP, and we also want to add, let's say, gold members. So these are the two groups or membership levels that can get support when they go to that forum. So now I'm going to click on add to level. So now these two are now added. So if I close now, you're going to see that VIP and gold members now have access to the support forum, which is of course very good because then all the paid groups have access to the similar forum. Okay, so moving on, we've done this now to the support. Now what this doesn't do is, in fact, let me come over here and show you. I'm going to refresh this, and this is the support forum, by the way. So what this doesn't do is it doesn't automatically apply protection settings to new content under this forum. So ideally, you want to make sure you set it up here, protect existing now, click on yes, and then update. So the reason why you want to have this activated is because if you add any other content under that forum as a child, then it's going to be automatically protected. Otherwise, you have to go back over here and protect it. And this can be a bit tedious because you might even forget. I've had situations where I've forgotten why people don't have access to my content. So having it set up this way here makes these things much easier. Now, I know I've created my protection for my support and VIP welcome forum. Now, we also have discussions that I created. So if I come over here on the discussion, I can also choose who has access to my discussions. And look, if I click here on enable protection, same thing. I can now choose who has access to this wishlist member discussion that I've just created. So just like what I did, I'm going to click here on this pencil icon and I'm going to say, let's protect this. And then let's add our membership levels. And this one here is going to give access to pretty much everyone. And I'm going to click on add to level. So now that's looking good. I'm going to close it. So now this discussion has these members now added to them. So whoever is in the VIP, my course level or gold member levels will get access to this wishlist member discussion forum. All right, guys. That's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the video descriptions below. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care.